Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Foxwell NT680 Lite, one of the most popular OBD2 diagnostic scanners for both DIY car enthusiasts and professional mechanics. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use tool to diagnose car problems, reset warning lights, and save on repair costs, this might be the perfect one for you. Let's see what this little device can really do. In the box, you'll get the Foxwell NT680 Lite scanner, a USB cable, an OBD2 connector cable, a user manual, and a soft carrying case. The NT680 Lite has a 4.3-inch color display, rubberized buttons, and a solid build quality. It feels professional, not cheap. It's also plug-and-play, meaning no batteries. Just connect it to your car's OBD port and you're ready to go. Now here's what makes the NT680 Lite stand out. It supports OBDII and EOBD protocols, meaning it works with most cars from 1996 and newer. It can read and clear fault codes for engine, ABS, airbag, SRS, and transmission systems. You can also view live data streams, run component tests, and even graph sensor data in real time. Plus, it supports multilingual menus and live data streams from Foxwell's website. That's a lot of functionality for a mid-range scanner. The NT680 Lite quickly detects the vehicle and scans for trouble codes. You can see everything from oxygen sensor readings to fuel trim, RPM, and temperature data. So is the Foxwell NT680 Lite worth it? Absolutely. If you want a reliable tool for home diagnostics or small shop use. It's accurate, durable, and saves you a trip to the mechanic every time your check engine light pops on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car tech reviews and DIY tutorials. See you in the next video.